Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon online gift voucher. First, locate the 16-character claim code from your email or physical card. Next, open your web browser, navigate to the Amazon website, and sign into your account. Once logged in, go to the gift cards section, then select Redeem a gift card. Carefully type or paste your code there and click Apply to your balance. Your funds will be immediately available for shopping. When you're ready to make a purchase, your gift card balance will automatically apply during the checkout process. This happens before any other payment method is charged. You can always review the order summary to see the amount covered by your gift card. If you wish to save your balance for another purchase, simply uncheck the gift card option at checkout. The system is designed for a seamless and convenient shopping experience. It's simple to keep track of your remaining gift card balance. Just log into your Amazon account and click on the gift cards section. There, you'll see your current balance clearly displayed at the top. You can also review your complete transaction history to see exactly how your gift card funds have been used. This feature provides transparency, helping you manage your spending effectively across all your purchases. Your Amazon gift voucher offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to purchase millions of eligible items. This includes virtually all physical products, from cutting-edge electronics to your favorite new book. You can also use it for many digital goods, like renting a movie or buying a new song. Just be aware that a few specific items, such as certain subscriptions or other gift cards, might have some restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.